Hi learners, welcome to C Programming. Before we start writing code, let us understand what programming really means. Programming is the process of giving step-by-step instructions to a computer to solve a problem. A computer cannot think on its own. It only follows instructions. So when we write a program, we are telling the computer exactly what to do, in what order, and under what condition. Think of making tea. You cannot simply say, make tea. You must give steps. Boil water, add tea powder, add milk, add sugar, boil again, filter, and serve. Programming works in the same way. In this course, we will learn how to convert real-world problems into step-by-step logic using the C programming language. Key points. Program means a set of instructions. Programming means writing those instructions. Logic is more important than memorizing syntax. C helps us understand how computers actually work. Practice task. Write steps for making a cup of coffee like an algorithm. Quiz 1. What is a program? A. Hardware. B. A set of instructions. C. Memory. Or D. Keyboard command. The answer is B. Quiz 2. Programming mainly teaches us A. Typing speed. B. Logical thinking. C. Drawing. Or D. Browsing. The answer is B. Follow your interview buddy Raghavi from Quantumnique for more tips. Check our GitHub for code examples. See you next time!